from Kebbi Capital College International. And I'm standing here before you today to present a poem entitled A Nation on Flying on the Wings of Poetry. Before I begin, I would like to address my audience. Are you all ready for my performance? Thanks. I will go. Here I go. This is how we win together. When I want to betray my future, trading voice for silence, crashing on aspirations, smudging cups to the integrity of my existence, for the mastery over the wall of my heart weighs just as heavy. For my lines and stanzas are tools I use in rooting out injustice, choosing equally shared opportunities, accolades per excellence, where education is an ultimate right within the fiber of mixed gender bias. For my lines and stanzas, like that of the poets before me, preach of the world where respect uproots violence and love plunges the heart of people there, removing that jam of sexism, becoming vigorously non-partisan to evil, and even handling what belongs to Adam and Eve. For my lines and stanzas, like that of the poets who wrote before me, craves for a lifetime of warm palms, pressed against each other, intertwining in a fray, addressed as one people, brought together by the magic of words, by the magic of art, by the magic of poetry. A nation of unity and faith, peace and progress. A nation with a ravishing geography. A nation where legends began. A lady Nigeria, the home of noble allies. The lives of Wole Soyinka, me of Sundari, Chimamanda Ngozi, Ben Ogri, and Asma Obin Stanford. For united, we make an uprising nation. This is how we win together, side by side. So let the sun rise in our hearts. For a new dawn is upon us, a dawn of winning together, a dawn of a nation flying on the wings of poetry. Thank you.